Hey everybody, Tom Sparks with Sparks Media Group. In this video, I'm going to go through a process of uploading a folder to Fotello for processing, and we're going to do the whole, soup to nuts, beginning to end of uploading photos, and then we're going to try some different editing techniques that Fotello currently offers, and we're going to show the results of that. The first step I'm going to do is create a new listing, and so I like to label my listings with the date and then the address. And this is an older folder that I have that I did a few years ago. And instead of being 5 brackets, these are actually 3 bracketed images. Typically I upload 5 brackets these days, but when I first started with real estate photography, I was only doing 3 brackets. So I have my files selected. There's 180 of them, and it's generating the previews. Okay, so the bracketing method, we can do timed, count, or manual. I like to do count, and we're gonna change the sequence to every 3 photos. And then we can do view as a film strip or a carousel. I tend to like the carousel. I think it views a little easier. Now I started doing real estate photography right around 2017. This shoot is from early on. This is 2018. So hopefully my style hasn't changed much since then in the photos that I took. But here's a good representation. It's interior, exterior, front yard, backyard, multiple rooms. So we're going to turn perspective correction on. We're going to leave it on. And then we'll do a exterior sky replacement. I typically choose the signature enhancement style, and then we're going to do enhanced listing. While we're doing enhanced listing, I'm going to show you here that we're currently uploading the files. So it generates the image previews based, the thumbnails. That's not actually uploading the files. It's not until you hit enhanced listing that your file upload begins. And I have a pretty decent internet connection. I think I have like 2 gigs download and maybe 200 megabytes a second upload. And you can see here that it's using about 67 megabits a second upload. So oftentimes the first couple images are already done before the end of the files are already uploaded, if that makes sense. So I will let these upload. It says here, do not disconnect from the internet, but we can create other listings and upload. So we're just going to leave this here. I'm going to pause the recording and we'll come back once everything is done being processed. And look at that. Already you can see that one of the images has came back. So we can click it and it looks good. But we'll go through all the photos and show them when we're done. There was a little bit of lens flare here, and that's just a rookie mistake on my part, and we can edit that out with Photoshop, or I can show you how to fix it with Fotello. So anyway, I will let these all continue to process, and I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, we're back. Literally just probably maybe 5 minutes went by, and all the images are done. So we're going to go through and kind of review them. So here's first photos. I'm going to leave a comment here and see if they can fix this. So we put that in there. Let's go on to the next one. We're going to hit save up here. And that requests the revision. So I think if we click on the bottom, yeah, it goes image by image. So you can see how it handled 3 brackets. I think it handled them very well. I'm not seeing anything that needs to be corrected thus far. There's a little bit of a tripod here. We'll see if they can fix that. With the save button. Now, I think they're getting these revisions back within a couple hours, so we'll kind of test that out as well. Previously it was, well, I think when Fotello first came out, it was 8 hours, and that's increased. So I think it's, or that's decreased, I'm sorry. So I think it's now about 2 hours you get the revisions back. And they say that they're human edited revisions. Yeah, I'm really happy with these edits. There's a little camera lens right here in the door. This this door appears to be a little warped, and I'm not sure why. Let me see. So there you have it. I'm going to go back to the first image, and I'm actually going to download this one single image, and you can see it right here. And the reason I'm going to do that is because I'm going to convert this to a Twilight. So there's signature, there's natural, and now there's Twilight. So let's hit the Twilight button, and it's processing it. And it looks like what it did is it created a copy, which is pretty cool. So I didn't have to download the original one. Oh wow, and it came back that quick. It's pretty neat. So now I'll tell you that normally I'm not a fan of virtual Twilight images. I've pretty much always done authentic Twilights. While I'm talking, let's do this one too. Yeah, I just prefer authentic Twilight images. But having seen how Fotello handles Twilight conversions, I'm really impressed. Biggest thing for me is the shadows. A lot of times the virtual Twilights, you can still see shadows. And they did a really good job handling that. There's this really huge shadow line right here. And they've pretty much got rid of it. So that's how they handle Twilights. I will stop the video now and we'll come back once they have those 3 or 4 revisions complete. Okay, everybody, we're back in front of Fotello's upload, and we see that there is completed revisions on the 1, 2, I think there was 3 right here, images. So we're going to take a look. If you remember, this image had some lens flare, which is now gone for the most part. And then this image, there was a lens in the mirror, which is now gone. So did a really good job there. And let's see, this image, there was some warping in the door, which they fixed. And then there was one more, I remember, a 4th image, and it was right here. The tripod was in the reflection here of the shower door. And so all images have been edited perfectly, and I'm happy with these. I'm going to go ahead and do a Twilight conversion on this image now. And again, it makes a copy of it. And there you have it. There's still a little bit actually. Let's see. If we go back to the image before, the lens flare is gone here, but it looks like you can still see a little bit of lens flare. So I'm just going to put in here, please correct lens flare on grass area. Hit save. And the image has been, the revision has been submitted. We'll wait for that, but there you have it. That's how you do some revision requests, as well as convert from daytime to Twilight using Fotello. If you have any questions, comment them below. Give the video a thumbs up or share it if you like it. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.